Hello everybody, how are you? I am Norez and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtita.com where we will be discussing questions. So let's get on the questions. So our today question is, what tool stops the words from overflowing in Excel? The correct answer of the question, to stop the word from overflowing in Excel, you can use the warp text tools. The warp text tools allows you to display the text is a longer than the width of a cell in a multiple the same cells. To use these tools, select the cells containing the text you want to warp, then go to in the Excel ribbon, click on the warp text button in alignment group, and the text will be multiple lines within the cells. This is well prevent to text from overflowing into neighboring cells. The formatting of your Excel worksheet. So that the answer of the questions. If you are searching any other questions, please visit www.classtrita.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there an ask session on the right side of the website. Fill the form and I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye.